Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have to align prerequisites before scaling. Pick a focused niche and decide if you want direct sales or lead capture. Once done, create your Google Ads account, connect billing, and install conversion tracking, Google Tag plus GA4, so you can measure. Now launch 3 starter campaigns: one search campaign targeting intent keywords, a display campaign for awareness, and a retargeting list to capture visitors. Make sure to set clear CPA goals and daily budgets to collect real performance data quickly. Now you dig into the complex execution. Review search terms to add high-converting keywords and exclude irrelevant queries with negative keywords. Once you gather clicks, run ad variation tests, 3 headlines, 2 descriptions, and use responsive search ads for dynamic matching. Next, structure campaigns with SCAG or tightly themed ad groups for clearer signals. After you reach around 100 conversions, transition to automated bidding, target CPA or maximize conversions, and scale budget. To complete the process, focus on conversion rate improvements and maintenance. Optimize landing pages for speed and alignment with ad copy, and use a/B tests to raise conversion rate. Once stable, expand with new audiences and lookalikes, and set rules to pause poor performers automatically. If results drop, troubleshoot systematically. Verify conversion tracking and tag firing, resolve disapproved ads, and inspect search impression, share for budget or bid caps. Make small iterative changes, then monitor metrics daily until profitable scale is reached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.